The wrong 3D printer can turn a $20 project into hours of wasted filament and frustration. I tested 7 machines to find out which ones actually deliver and which ones only look good on paper. Here are the 7 best 3D printers of 2026, ranked from good to the one I'd actually buy. Starting at number 7, the FlashForge Adventurer 5M is the kind of 3D printer I'd recommend to someone who wants to spend more time printing and less time troubleshooting. During everyday jobs like organizers, brackets, prototypes, and household parts, it delivers a straightforward experience without requiring constant adjustment. The 220 by 220 by 220 millimeter build volume is compact enough for a home workspace, but still large enough for most typical projects. Its Core XY movement system is a major reason this printer can operate at much higher speeds than many traditional designs, while maintaining good positioning accuracy. The automatic bed leveling is especially useful for beginners because getting that first layer right can otherwise become one of the most frustrating parts of 3D printing. The dual direct extruder also handles common materials, such as PLA and PETG, reliably. Another practical advantage is the quick swap nozzle system. When a nozzle needs cleaning or replacement, you don't have to turn a simple maintenance job into a major project. The dual-sided PEI build plate also makes print removal easier once the bed has cooled. Add remote monitoring through FlashMaker, solid cooling, and a relatively simple maintenance routine, and the Adventurer 5M becomes a very practical everyday machine. It may not be the most advanced printer here, but for straightforward, dependable FDM printing, it earns its spot at number 7. Moving to number 6, the Bambu Lab A1 Combo is where 3D printing starts feeling surprisingly automated. Instead of constantly tuning the printer before every job, many of the adjustments happen automatically in the background. I found that especially useful when switching between different types of prints. The automatic calibration, flow compensation, and vibration control help maintain consistent extrusion and movement without requiring endless manual adjustments. That makes a noticeable difference when you simply want to send a model to the printer and get on with something else. The AMS light system is another major reason this model stands out. It allows the A1 to handle multicolor printing while automatically managing filament changes. For colorful models, signs, decorative pieces, and similar projects, that can save a huge amount of manual work. Print quality is also impressive for this category. Small details remain clean, surfaces look consistent, and the printer can maintain good results while moving quickly. The touchscreen provides an easy way to control jobs, while app monitoring makes it possible to keep an eye on prints remotely. I also like that nozzle changes are relatively straightforward, which matters if you regularly experiment with different print requirements. If your priority is a polished user experience, reliable automation, and convenient multicolor printing, the A1 Combo is one of the easiest recommendations on this list. At number 5, the Elegoo Centauri Carbon takes a more performance-oriented approach. This is a machine that makes a lot of sense for people who want high-speed printing but also expect the printer to handle more demanding materials. The die-cast aluminum frame gives the Centauri Carbon a substantial feel, and that rigidity becomes particularly useful when printing at speeds approaching 500 millimeters per second. Faster movement can expose weaknesses in a printer's frame, leading to ringing, vibration, or inconsistent walls. The rigid construction and Core XY motion system help control those problems. The 256 by 256 by 256 millimeter build volume is another good middle ground. It provides enough room for functional components, enclosures, brackets, prototypes, and larger hobby projects without making the machine unnecessarily huge. Automatic calibration and bed leveling also reduce setup time. Instead of repeatedly adjusting the bed manually, you can get the printer prepared for a job with considerably less effort. One of its biggest advantages, however, is material capability. The 320° C hardened nozzle is designed to work with abrasive filaments, such as carbon fiber reinforced materials. That opens the door to stronger functional parts, rather than limiting you to basic decorative prints. The enclosed design also helps when working with materials that benefit from more controlled printing conditions. Add vibration compensation, a built-in camera, and lighting for monitoring, and the Centauri Carbon becomes a compelling option for users who want speed, durability, and engineering-focused printing in one machine. Coming in at number 4 is the Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo, and this one is particularly interesting if multicolor printing is high on your priority list. Its enclosed Core XY design gives it a compact but capable structure, while the 250 by 250 by 250 millimeter build volume provides enough room for a wide range of home and workshop projects. I especially like the fact that the enclosure isn't just about appearance. It can help maintain a more stable printing environment when working with materials such as ABS and ASA. The ACE Pro system is the centerpiece here. It provides 4-color printing, and combining 2 units can take that capability up to 8 colors. That's a big advantage for anyone making decorative models, signs, character designs, or other prints where color separation matters. The system also incorporates useful filament management features. Automatic feeding, anti-tangling detection, and filament drying during printing can reduce several of the problems that normally interrupt long print jobs. A 320° C hot end further expands the range of materials you can consider, while the printer's high-speed operation doesn't make it feel excessively loud. The built-in camera and app connectivity are also useful when you want to monitor a long print without sitting beside the machine. For someone looking for an enclosed, high-speed printer with serious multicolor capability and plenty of automation, the Kobra S1 Combo is a strong number 4. At number 3, we're switching from FDM to resin, because when extremely fine detail is the priority, resin printing has a major advantage. The Elegoo Saturn IV Ultra 16K is designed around a 10-inch 16K monochrome LCD, and that resolution allows it to reproduce tiny details with impressive precision. For miniatures, collectibles, jewelry prototypes, intricate models, and other highly detailed objects, the level of surface definition is where this printer really separates itself from conventional filament machines. Another feature I find particularly useful is the smart resin heating system. Maintaining resin around 30° C can improve its flow and help create more consistent printing conditions, particularly when room temperatures aren't ideal. The automatic leveling system also simplifies preparation. Combined with tilt-release technology, the printer can make the printing and release process more efficient while reducing some of the frustration associated with resin workflows. Then there's the built-in AI camera and monitoring sensors. Being able to keep an eye on the print and identify potential problems earlier can be especially valuable with resin, where a failed long-duration print can waste both time and a significant amount of material. Of course, resin printing isn't for everyone. It requires a different workflow, more cleanup, and greater attention to handling than standard FDM printing. But if your priority is fine detail, smooth surfaces, and highly accurate small models, the Elegoo Saturn IV Ultra 16K is easily one of the most impressive options in this lineup. At number 2, the FlashForge AD5X is built around one major idea, making multicolor FDM printing faster and less complicated. Its intelligent filament system can automatically load and unload up to 4 filaments, which removes much of the manual intervention normally associated with changing colors. That becomes particularly valuable during long prints where manually swapping filament can interrupt the process or introduce mistakes. The Core XY architecture is another major strength. With travel speeds reaching up to 600 millimeters per second, the AD5X is designed for rapid movement, while its all-metal frame helps maintain stability. That combination is useful when you're trying to reduce print times without completely sacrificing surface quality. The 300 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder and high-flow hot end also provide broader material flexibility. PLA, PETG, TPU, and carbon fiber filaments are supported, giving the printer a much wider range of applications than a basic multicolor machine. Automation is everywhere on this printer. Automatic leveling, vibration compensation, filament detection, and print resume functionality all work toward one goal: reducing failed jobs. I also found the remote management capabilities useful. FlashMaker and Orca FlashForge give you additional control and monitoring options, which becomes even more valuable if you're running long prints or managing more than one machine. If you specifically want multicolor printing but don't want to sacrifice speed, material flexibility, or automation, the AD5X is one of the strongest choices here, and that's why it takes the number 2 position. And at number 1, the Creality Ender 3 V3KE takes the top spot because it delivers one of the most balanced combinations of speed, capability, ease of use, and everyday practicality. This isn't simply a printer designed to win on one specification. What makes it stand out is how many useful features come together in a relatively accessible package. The printer can reach speeds close to 500 millimeters per second, while its 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.44-inch build volume is large enough for functional components, prototypes, hobby models, and everyday projects without requiring a huge amount of desk space. The Sprite Direct Extruder provides consistent filament feeding, and the 300 degrees Celsius maximum temperature gives you access to more materials than a basic entry-level printer. PLA, PETG, TPU, and ABS are all within its capabilities. The X-axis linear rail contributes to smoother movement, while the dual Z-axis screws help keep taller models stable and reduce unwanted wobble. The dual cooling fans also help maintain cleaner overhangs and sharper details when printing quickly. Then there's the CR Touch automatic leveling system. This is one of those features that seems minor until you spend enough time manually leveling print beds. Consistent first layers make the entire printing process more predictable and reduce the need for constant intervention. The touchscreen is simple to operate, and connectivity through Wi-Fi, USB, and phone control gives the printer a modern workflow. The Ender 3 V3KE isn't necessarily the perfect printer for every single person, but when you combine speed, material flexibility, print quality, automation, connectivity, and everyday usability, it offers one of the strongest all-around packages in this lineup. And that's exactly why it earns the number 1 spot. And that's the list. Whether you want speed, precision, multicolor printing, or simple reliability, there's a clear winner for every type of user. Choose the right printer, and 3D printing gets a whole lot easier.